Welcome to homeworklib.
A number cube is rolled 127 times. The results are recorded in the following table. What is the experimental probability of rolling a number greater than 4? In this question, we are asked to find the experimental probability of an event. We begin by recalling that experimental probability can be written as a fraction, where the numerator is the number of trials in which the outcome occurs, and the denominator is the total number of trials. In this question, we are told that the number cube is rolled 127 times. So the total number of trials is 127. Since we are trying to calculate the probability of rolling a number greater than 4, then a successful outcome would be rolling a 5 or 6. 15 plus 27 is equal to 42. So there are 42 trials in which the desired outcome occurs. We can therefore conclude that the experimental probability of rolling a number greater than 4 is 42 out of 127.